Hello, I'm Papa from Dyce, and this is a tutorial on how to download and install Teamspeak free, and specifically connect to the Dice community Teamspeak server. So the first thing you want to do is open up your default web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to open that. You want to go to teamspeak.com. This is the second thing, and this is the third thing. You want to hover over downloads and select Teamspeak free. This is the part where you're going to have to select your operating systems. I'm using Windows operating systems, Windows 7 32-bit, but if you're using Mac, Linux, or even want TeamSpeak for your phone, there's versions. So I'm using Windows 7 32-bit as I said, so I'm going to download the client 32-bit. I'm obviously going to read the license agreement and click I agree. No, thanks, take me to the download. Right, I'm impatient, so at this part I'm going to click this. I've already downloaded this part, so I'm going to skip to the next bit. Right, I'll close. So you want to select your download folder and find the download, which is Teamspeak free client win free, and you want to double click it. It's going to come off with a security warning, but it's by a known publisher, so there's no worries there. Right, this is the Teamspeak free client setup. You want to click next. You want to read the license agreement again. Agree. And then I want to install it just for me, so it's just on this account on my computer instead of everybody else's. Click next. You want to select your destination folder. If you just want it to be in your program folders, just leave it. But I've just for this video selected it to be installed on my desktop. Right, click next, and then I would use the recommended settings unless you know what you're doing on this part, and then install. After that's done, you're going to get a TeamSpeak icon pull up on your desktop. You want to double click that, it's going to open TeamSpeak. Welcome. You want to go to settings, then setup wizard. This part's going to help you configure your microphone and your sound and your nickname. You want to click next. This part you want to select, well, you can select your nickname. I've selected Papa because it's my RuneScape username. You should probably do the same, use your RuneScape username. It's easy. I'm going to click next. You want to select push to talk at this point because we're a push to talk only server. Push to talk means you have to press a button on either your mouse or your keyboard to activate your microphone so you can speak. It stops people playing music, background noise, and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, we're going to click push to talk for this part. Next, we're going to begin the test. At this part, push down your push to talk key. I'm using my mouse button. As you can see, the level bar's moving, so that means it's working. Alright, for the speaker mute, I leave no hotkey assigned for this part. I use this to mute my speakers, this button right here. This is the part where you either get to choose between your female or your male. Basically, whether you want a female voice speaking in the background when you change channels or when you're connecting to a server, or you want a male voice. So for this part I'm going to select females. I think I prefer it. Alright, next on this part I'm going to untick both of them and finish. The next part I'm going to do is show you how to connect to the Dice community TeamSpeak. Connections, and then connect. This is the default server address, so you're going to have to change that to ddice.clants.net. I'll list it in the description below, and obviously your nickname's going to be preset, there's no password, so you can click connect. At this part I am going to have to request talk power. Use a sensible message like I'm new, can I speak please? And a TeamSpeak mod or admin should come and give you permissions within a short period of time. That's about it for this video. I might make another one in the series on how to use Teamspeak and install plugins and whatnot, but that's the end of this. Hope you enjoyed it and hope it was helpful. Goodbye.